what we're about to do with this dowel rod is make some multi-air spring lockers. So what we'll do is we'll put this in the vise, and then I'll cut 4 little pieces about the same size, and then I'll shove them in between the rocker and the spot on the multi-air. I'll show you guys when I get over there.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it.
Finally time to put our new camshaft in. So let's bust out our red line assembly lube, because you never want to put your shaft in dry. Alright, we're gonna shake it up real good. Set her down in here. Give her a little this stuff says it won't plug any of your lines or inputs or outputs of your oiling system either, so it's always a plus.
Society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds have put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
Alright, so before we get back to putting this turbo installed, what we're going to do is, if you look right here, there's a tab that was broken off. I have it right here. We're going to take this super glue with this accelerator and we're going to remount that. This stuff is awesome and every toolbox should have it. So we started by cleaning off the plastic. We sprayed the plastic with electronic cleaner, which is this stuff right here. Gets rid of all the crud and all that.
Thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the...
Working on this manifold. We're about to install the turbo, but if you ever use ARP studs, you know that these are the star type, which you have to have the same type of socket. A regular socket doesn't work for these, so just wanted to let you know. So here's a little update what we got going on right now. Got the manifold on, she's looking awful nice. Torque down the spec, 30 Newton meters, as you were, 15 Newton meters with a 30-degree turn. So we got those torque to spec, and we're going to continue on.
Halo. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin.
Alright, I got carried away and tried to speed things up too fast, and I have rubber gloves on. They're a little bit slick, and a washer shot out of my hand, and guess where it went? Of course, right down there. So I'm gonna have to dig the extension magnet out and fish that out. So everything doesn't go perfect all the time. You adapt and you overcome.
Thoughts pull you in, I miss the old you. We died with a purpose, all the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go, gotta get through. I started to go, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get...
Alright, we're gonna be loading up multi-ECU scan to reset some parameters and adapters, but right now we're going to prime the oil. So we're going to start it a few seconds, or attempt to start a few seconds and then let go, because we have the coils unplugged so that it won't start. All it's going to do is prime the oil. Just a few seconds and then let go. Do this a few times. Alright, that should be good. Okay. We're going to reset quite a few of these since we had everything unplugged. Okay, self-adaptation parameters. Yes. Definitely need to reset all those. We'll have to come back in and do the oil change life reset here in a few. Once we sounds with the new turbo and cam. She's still warming up and it's really cold, so you're going to see all that smoke and everything because it's still cold. But no leaks or anything. Everything's running good. Got to put the headlights back in. And the bumper